Hi everyone, today I'm going to provide you with 3 tips on how to keep your closet organized. As always, remember to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For all of you that are new, my name is Tiffany and I am an image strategist and I help coaches and public speakers look and feel their best by embracing the style that they have always envisioned for themselves. Today I'm going to talk to you about closet peace. Now, what is closet peace? I know a lot of people, when you open up your closet, if you feel frustrated, overwhelmed, there's just so much stuff in your closet that you don't even know even where to begin if you even wanted to begin to clean it out. So today I'm going to give you 3 tips that will help you obtain closet peace. So number 1, of course, you have to go in and you have to clean everything out and you have to get rid of everything that no longer represents who you are. And for that, I do have a resource in the description box below that will help you get started with cleaning out your closet. Now, once you've cleaned everything out, one of the best things that I've discovered and utilized are hangers. So you want to go in and change out your hangers. I purchased these velvet hangers at the Container Store, and I'll put a link to that in the description box below as well. And I'm sure you can find them on Amazon and a lot of different stores as well. Now, what the hangers do, one, as you can see, it makes the closet look a lot more organized. You're able to have I have more space in here that I can still put clothes in, and it makes it look uniformed. Plus, it just gives your closet just an overall clean, fresh look. Number 2, shoe containers. Now, this took me a long time to finally get done and complete. With the shoe containers, which I also purchased at the Container Store, I had all of these, if you can imagine, I had all of my shoes were in boxes. So the one thing is that when you look for shoes, even though they're in the boxes, you still can't find anything and you're going to run out and get something because you don't think you have it. Well, with these clear containers here, I'm able to see every single shoe that I have. And it's organized, and I'm able to stack these at least 3 high. Now, there are a few shoes that I have that aren't in containers right now, but they're at the far end, so I can't see them. And they're just, and they're shoes that I rarely wear. I bring them out on special occasions, so they're always at the far end. Another tip I do with this, even though it's not done right now, I try to color code them as best as possible. So I have all of my black shoes here, I have my nude shoes here, and I have some more colored shoes here, with the exception of the red and the leopard print, which are out of place. But this enables you to give you a clear view of what you actually have. So number 2, investing in containers for your shoes. Last but not least is how you organize and put your clothes back in your closet. So for me, what I do is, and I'll bring some out here, is I put them according to clothes. So from here, on this side of my closet, I have my pants starting here. And then if you come down further, I have skirts and then dresses in the back. Here, I start off with my shirts. Then I have my blazers and my blazers and jackets, then sweaters, and then when I go further into the back, I have suits, and I believe I have coats back there as well. What this does is you're able to see everything in one clear view. So when you're looking at your closet this way and you're looking to get in to figure out what it is that you want to wear, you're able to see everything at a bird's eye view. This will make it easy for you when you're coming into your closet trying to figure out what outfit you want to put together for that day. So again, the 3 tips are, after cleaning out your closet, you want to make sure that you change out all of the hangers, shoes for your containers for your shoes, and organizing your clothes via pants, skirts, blouses, dresses, etc. I hope this helps. If you like more content such as this, let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure you check out and get a free copy of my closet organization guide to help you get started with finding closet peace. In the meantime, stay healthy, stay safe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.